Hello, this is an AtlasHR onboarding tutorial that will cover the I-9 employer verification step. This is typically handled by a manager or an HR administrator as part of the new hire onboarding. Before starting this step, you'll want to verify that you do have the necessary ID to complete the step. To download those IDs, you can go to the employee's profile, the employee document section, so you can pull up a separate tab. So you can come out here and click New Window, which I've already done here, and popped up the employee's profile. So I'm on the employee profile on the HR tab, and I'm going to go down to the employee document section. And I see that there's a passport that's been uploaded here, so I'm going to go ahead and download this because I will need this later. So yep, there it is. Confirm that I have it. I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to go back to my other tab, and I'm going to click the link to begin the verification process. So when I click the link, I jump over to the I-9 section, and I can see my new hire does have an I-9 out here, and the status is employee completed, which is what I want to see. If it said new, that would mean that he had not actually signed and submitted the form yet, which he would need to do before I could complete this step. So it says employee completed, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the pencil over on the left to jump into this form. So all you need to do is scroll down to the employer section, and you will need to populate the list A, list B, or list C ID sections based on the IDs that you have. So I have a passport, so I can pull up my information here. I have my passport number and expiration date, and I can drop that information in here. If I had a driver's license and social security card, for instance, I would drop those into list B and list C. Make sure your title is listed in this field here. And then all you need to do is click Save and Verify. And it will prompt you for the employee's hire date, which we'll put as 5/1, and then your password, which is you digitally signing this document. And then your last step is to click I agree. And then the employee has been verified. And that concludes our I-9 verification tutorial. Thanks.